Here I've got HUAWEI MediaPad M5 and let me show you how to activate eye comfort mode on the following device. So the quickest method is to swipe down the upper bar, and here simply by tapping on eye comfort icon you can activate it. As you can see, now the colors are way warmer. Then you can switch it off the same way simply by tapping on this switcher. And now we are back in the standard mode. Then you can also enable it through the settings and then personalize it there. So just open the settings, go to display, select eye comfort, and now you can simply activate it by tapping on this switcher, and then you can adjust the temperature so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors. Let me leave it this way, and then you can switch it off here as well. And you can also schedule eye comfort mode. So let me pick scheduled. So activate it on the switcher and then select the start hour, so it can be, for example, 10 o'clock, and then the end hour will be 5 AM next day. So from now on, every day between 10 and 5 next day, eye comfort mode will be automatically activated, and then obviously at the end time deactivated. You can switch off this rule by tapping on this switcher, and now it's not active. And that's basically all. This is how you can protect your eyes, how you can use eye comfort mode in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.